Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use P2P on Binance US. Peer-to-peer trading allows you to buy and sell cryptocurrencies directly with other users, offering great flexibility. This method supports a wide range of payment options and local currencies, making it accessible for many individuals. Binance US provides a secure environment, holding funds in escrow to protect both buyers and sellers throughout the entire transaction process, ensuring peace of mind. Before you can begin P2P trading, you must first complete your identity verification, also known as KYC, on your Binance US account. This crucial step ensures compliance and security for all users. Next, add and verify your preferred payment methods, such as bank transfers or digital wallets. Finally, enable two-factor authentication to add an extra layer of protection to your account, safeguarding your assets. To place a P2P order, first navigate to the P2P trading section within your Binance US application or website. Decide whether you wish to buy or sell cryptocurrency. Then, select your specific crypto asset like Bitcoin or Ethereum and your preferred fiat currency. Carefully review the available offers, considering the price, payment method, and the seller's completion rate. Once you find a suitable offer, initiate the trade and follow the clear instructions provided. After initiating a trade, clear communication with your counterparty is key. If you are selling, confirm you have received the full payment in your chosen method before releasing the cryptocurrency. If buying, make your payment promptly and mark it as paid. Binance US holds the crypto in escrow, ensuring fairness. Should any issues arise, utilize the platform's dispute resolution system, which helps mediate and resolve conflicts efficiently.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.